Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I'm going to show you I finally got my freaking Ipsy Glam Bag X. I actually got it on June 2nd or June 3rd. I was at work. Must have been the 3rd. Yes. I think it was the day I came home. It took forever, and I know a lot of people got it late, but I think with me, it might have been because I got a Refreshments thingy in it. So, of course, I already know what's in it because I looked on the website. We all did, because you can see what you get. And of course, hardly anyone got the Charlotte Tilbury product or the Herbivore Prism product. I did speak very much in depth about that in a previous video. If you'd like to check that out, it goes into a breakdown of a sample of 100 people and the variations that they got. And I showed you that Ipsy did not operate this Glam Bag X like they did the Patrick Ta and Glam Bag X collaboration. That's pretty key because with that first one, everyone got the same 5 products and then you had your choice products. With this one, there was no curated box. It was just operated like any other makeup subscription box based on your profile. Mine wasn't, I can tell you that. So I'm going to show you what I got, but first, let me interrupt the video right now. Don't forget to like this video right now. That helps my video get in front of more eyeballs, and don't forget you should like everyone else's videos that you watch too. It also helps their channels out, doesn't cost a thing. Alright, back to the video. This is the Refreshments. This was really weird. So there's an empty bag and they put this on top of it in the box. But this is, I decided to give this a go because they were selling it for $5 and I do need a new razor. I haven't bought one in a couple years actually. So this is the Refreshments Luxe 5 blade razor kit. You don't get 5 items, it's a 5 blade kit. There's 4 items. There's the handle, it kind of got pushed into this little area. But there's the handle right there. You get the two blade cartridges and then a little thingy to hold it in your shower if you want to actually hang it up. So that is my Ipsy Refreshments. It did come with a little sticker pack, and then we have just a little advertisement. This shows you how to put it together as if you didn't know, but hey, you never know. It's mostly just like a little advertisement, really. So in the actual Glam Bag X, we have the little newspaper thingy, just like what we got with the Patrick Ta one. I have mine. I don't have it. It's here somewhere in my room, which is very messy. So, anyways. Here we go. So this, actually, I already read through this as well. The first page is literally the same text that is on the Ipsy blog. And then it goes into Khloe's picks. So this is Glam Bag X, curated by Khloe Cardassian. It's not Star Trek. So it does show some of the items that she picked, I guess. This shows Glam Bag X exclusives. This is pretty much, I think, the picks that everyone could have chosen or would be chosen for you. I don't know. We have this little thing, which was, again, featured on the Ipsy blog. It's nothing new. We have a little quiz that she took here. And then the back of it is just like how to organize like a Kardashian. Yeah, anyways. Okay, alright, I'm going to go from let's just choose the smallest product to the largest. Okay. I got a slightly different variation. My variation I got, I think only, if I remember correctly, like 11% of people got this only because I got the MAC lipstick instead of the lip gloss. I think there's a gloss included, but here's the color. It is a nice color, don't get me wrong. I do have a lot of lipsticks though, and I have a lipstick that I want to try to use in my project pan, so I'm not going to use this, and I'm going to swatch this right now. Okay, and the next smallest thing, we're going to go up. So this is, yeah, this was something that, so the lipstick was given to me. This was also given to me. This is a Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen in dark brown. I was a little pissed at first because I have blonde hair, but I think I'm actually going to be going back to black. I know I keep saying that, but I do like this brow pen actually. It seems to work a hell of a lot better than, what is it, the NYX one that I got? Yeah, the NYX ones I got, I don't know, but anyways, I just used that really quickly on my hand and that's how good it looks, so I'm actually probably going to add that one to my to my Project Pan kit just so I have something that actually works on my eyebrows. Okay, the next thing, this was a pick, and this was literally the only makeup choice that was in all three of my choices. This is the One Size. This is the One Size Eye Topper Sparkle Vision eyeshadow. And I did actually already play with this, so I will just swatch it on my hand. It's a nice color, don't get me wrong. I just don't tend to go for these liquid type items. Oh, and it has a strong smell, by the way. It is alcohol-y. Yeah, so it's pretty, but I have really hooded eyes. So you have to be very careful and work in very light layers if you're going to use something like this and you have hooded eyes like mine. Okay, the next smallest thing, I think this was a choice too. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. And oddly enough, I did get this in one of my May Ipsy bags too. So, hi Fatally Flawed Ash, you just messaged me on Instagram. So yeah, anyways, so Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. So I don't need that right now, so I'm gonna have two, I guess, for later on when my other cleaners run out. Okay, the next smallest thing, this is the stupid thing. This is the one thing everyone got. This is the 111 Skin, excuse me, 11T1. I say 11T1. Die mad about it. 11T1 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Now I got this, I swear to God I got this in the first Glam Bag. If not the first Glam Bag X, I got it like very recently, like maybe in my last Ultimate or something, because I just gave this product to my sister when I gave her all that makeup. Anyways, okay, now this one too, I believe this was my other pick. This is the Route. Yes, yeah, this is definitely my other choice. I remember this. The Route, the Party Peel Golden Illuminizing Peel. So that does sound interesting. This says, our secret to revealing your most radiant complexion without an appointment. Our peel is a master blend of powerful yet gentle acids enhanced by our unique oxygen delivery system that bubbles on contact to deliver exfoliation without visible peeling in most users. So just reading that, I will try that. That sounds interesting. I don't think I have any chemical exfoliants like that, so that's kind of cool. But so I got another cleansing item. This is the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm Lift and Illuminate by Rodial. Okay. So I got that. It just removes makeup and dirt whilst, I hate that word, visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. Whatever. Okay. And then, does this stuff even have prices on it? I don't know. Like, of course, I still have one more item to show you, by the way. But, I mean, it does, okay, but it doesn't, like, list what you got. It just lists all the items. Which I guess is cool, but, like, not really. Because basically there was three options I found when I pulled the data, and they're trying to hide it like in here, right? But so there was the Charlotte Tilbury, the Charlotte's Magic Cream option. That was the main thing. You could have gotten the One Size palette from Patrick Starr, the Patrick Starr Visionary eyeshadow palette from One Size, and then the other main option was the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. Those were the three main things, so you got either one of those. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm mad about that because at least with the One Size palette, you can see the colors there. It's colorful. My profile is, I have tweaked it to where I should get colorful eyeshadow, colorful makeup. Instead, I got the Modern Renaissance palette. I have already so many. Anyways, I got the dumbass Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I already have tons of these types of palettes that I've gotten from Ipsy in the past. I didn't need this one. I didn't particularly want Patrick Starr either, don't get me wrong, but like at least I wouldn't have like actually paid for it. But this is what it is, I guess. I will keep it. I will try it, I guess. Like, it's my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Trixie. It does come with a dual-headed brush, so you can see the colors there. This was my main thing from the Ipsy Glam Bag X. Do I think it's worth it? Well, I mean, you certainly get a lot of products. You don't get your Ipsy Plus if you're an Ipsy Plus member, so instead you get this. for the, so I got the 111 skin. We all got that. That was $135. That's what it listed as. I don't believe it's worth it. You can probably get many other products that work far better or the same for much cheaper. So I did get the Rodeo. That's $59. What else did I get? I got the Anastasia palette for $45. I got the MAC lipstick in Bated Breath. That is normally $21. The Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. That is normally $22. What else? Oh, the Route Beauty, the Party Peel. That's normally $65. What else did I get? Oh, the One Size Sparkle Vision Liquid Eyeshadow is normally $22. Nothing else that's listed here. So everything else is not listed here that I got. So we're looking at the Pores No More. Yeah, everything else is listed, but that's fine, whatever. So I tell you, I would have at least rather have gotten the One Size palette. I would have rather gotten the Herbivore Botanicals or the Charlotte Tilbury, simply because they advertised the hell out of, especially those two products, Charlotte Tilbury and the Herbivore. They had so many people thinking that you were going to get one or the other at the least. You know, yeah, my main thing is they ran, like I said earlier, they ran this much differently than they did the first one. In the first one, you were guaranteed 5 specific products, and then you could choose. And this one, again, it was ran just like any other makeup subscription box, so I think they should have renamed it. This is not curated by Khloe Cardassian. This was basically, her name is slapped on a makeup subscription box by Ipsy, and that was it. This was not curated by her, so I'm sorry. I saw a sneak peek at, I don't know if it's true, but I saw a sneak peek that maybe Halsey will be the curator for the next one. So it'll be interesting to see if it's ran like this or if it's ran more like the Patrick Ta one, which again was everyone got the same 5 products. You were guaranteed to get those products. What they showed you is what you got. So yeah, Ipsy, you need to do better. I hope you do better for the next one. And that is my review. I mean, if I were to compare this to, say, like Bespoke Post or FabFitFun, this is probably better than both of those for the same amount of money that you spend. I can use all these products. Most people can use all these products, I think. It's just kind of like a letdown when you don't get what you actually asked for. This is neutrally. I would have preferred the Patrick Star one, at the very least, if you're going just purely by eyeshadow palette. Because that one, it has some greens, it has some blues, it has some golds. Even though it's neutral, it's like half neutral, half colorful, at the very least. So yeah, Ipsy dropped the ball with me. Let me know down below if they dropped the ball with you or if you like what you got. And then go and watch my other 2 videos about the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I would love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, I'm a weirdo, and I post every single day because I have nothing else to do other than working because of the pancreas. So I will talk to you later. Bye.